In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate HubSpot efficiently and effectively. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to enhance your understanding, I'll guide you through its primary components. So, let's dive right in. First, let's focus on the left sidebar navigation. This is your gateway to all the main features and functionalities available in HubSpot. When you first log in, you'll notice several icons lined up vertically on the left-hand side of your screen, each representing a different aspect of HubSpot's robust toolset. Starting with the home icon, this is your dashboard where you can easily access your pinned reports or any activities you need to keep an eye on. It's a great starting point in HubSpot because it gives you a quick snapshot of your most important metrics and tasks right when you log in. The next icon represents the CRM. This is where you'll find your contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. The CRM is the backbone of HubSpot, allowing you to manage relationships with your customers and prospects. Make sure you spend some time becoming familiar with this area, as it's instrumental in organizing and maintaining your customer data. Moving further down, we come to the marketing icon. Here you'll discover tools related to campaigns, email marketing, social media, ads, and events. This section is your marketing command center, enabling you to orchestrate all your campaigns and track their effectiveness seamlessly. Now, let's explore the Content Hub. Within this section, you can manage your website pages, landing pages, blogs, podcasts, and more. It's designed to empower you with the tools you need to craft compelling content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Next is the Sales Workspace. This is where you can find documents, the meeting scheduler, and other sales-related tools you might need to enhance productivity and efficiency in your sales cycle. Following sales, we come to commerce, which provides an overview of payments, invoices, payment links, and more. This is where you can manage all commerce-related activities seamlessly, ensuring your transactions and payments are handled effectively. The service section is crucial for maintaining stellar customer support. Here you'll find tools for help desk, customer success, and chat flows, allowing you to offer top-notch assistance and build stronger customer relationships. In data management, you can explore data integration, custom events, data quality, and data sets. This section allows you to maintain the integrity and quality of your data, ensuring all your customer interactions are informed and intelligent. Next, we have automation, a powerful feature set that includes workflows. Automation is fantastic for streamlining repetitive tasks and keeping your customer interactions timely and personalized. Finally, reporting ties it all together with dashboards and reports. This is where you can analyze your performance over various metrics, providing insight into what's working and what's not. And here's a quick navigation tip. Spend time exploring each area to fully understand the potential of HubSpot for your business. The more you explore and utilize these tools, the more efficient and effective your marketing and customer relationship strategies will become. I hope this guide has provided you with a clearer picture of how to navigate HubSpot. Thanks for joining and happy exploring.